or so. So I wouldn't be shocked if this caused at noon, if it's a little bit further eastward by noon. So just a heads up, give this about an hour of a difference here in case it moves in a little quicker. Nonetheless, your afternoon we get rain. This brings it into Chicago by about 2 o'clock. Wouldn't be shocked if that's closer to 1 o'clock. But you get into rain with pockets of heavy rain expected and some thunderstorms even, especially in the overnight hours. It does become scattered at least this evening and overnight, but you're going to see it. Here's midnight, and then we'll go through Saturday morning. Scattered downpours, unfortunately, within these thunderstorms. Here's 7 a.m. tomorrow. Low pressure is kind of passing off to our south. That means we get these kind of streaks of rain. We call it wraparound precip, but this is 2 o'clock. You got rain still in Chicago, area-wide, but just kind of talking Lollapalooza in the city, you still have rain chances. This 7 p.m., you still have some rain chances. Even might see a little bit by 4 or 5 in the morning on Sunday. This looks like we pick up anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain out of this, so unfortunately some flooding concerns with it as well, especially overnight into Saturday morning where the heaviest of it is expected to be falling. 83 today, 70s west. You hit the rain first west, so you can't warm up as quick as we do further east. 72 tomorrow, 74 Sunday. So chilly weekend. We'll keep upper 70s Monday, low 80s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Now, the Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois Skycam 9 traffic update.
Okay, we have extra trains until Sunday. Yesterday, first day of extra trains, and then we have some more. 7 of its 11 lines there to accommodate demand for Lollapalooza ridership. So you have a ride to the festival, no doubt. There's a look at the outbound Kennedy. Things looking good if you're catching a flight this morning. Routes to Midway looking clear as well. Slight delay there on the south side as you approach the Dan Ryan merge, but still your roadways quiet to start your Friday.
Still had another case of artificial intelligence that went rogue.
And coming up next in sports, both the Cubs and White Sox go into extra innings for the second night in a row.
Wake up with me, Luman Ferdini, on Saturday mornings starting at 6 a.m. on WGN.
Hey, contractors, take your home improvement business to the next